gotta cut the camera when we are done with the project. We go to the next one.
Yeah.
Like now. See, we cut over there, now we're going over here to assembly. It's a good time to change the video because otherwise I got to do it. My hard drive make up a lot of hard drive space. Okay, now we need to put this on without these rock arms falling down and causing a problem. So we're going to try to do that right now. It went down, so it probably was okay. Because the rock arm hit straight like this, camera sucks. It wouldn't work. See, it's looking right here.
Yeah.
Instead of over here. Because the camera guy over there ain't doing his job. Yeah, why don't you do your job? See, these things have to stay up. So don't jar them too much when we find them down. There, that one went down too. I forgot to put a mark on the inside of here to see if it's hitting on the box too. Because the valves are way up. Where's your hardware?
I don't know. Did we ever get hardware for that?
You didn't bring any? You gotta use my hardware again? Damn. Do I have any hardware? I had a bunch of new boxes I put of hardware I found. Very lasting. Yeah, I got some nuts right here.
Alright.
How many nuts do we need?
One for each stud.
Oh, that's a lot. These don't even fit. You know why these don't fit?
Wrong size?
No.
Wrong thread.
Ah, there you go. Coarse and fine do not mix. It has a strong locking action.
They do if you wrench on it hard enough.
The problem with this box is I can't get the door open to get the box I want. It's way back here. That's why I was looking for the other box of new ones I had. Because I'm almost out of nuts over here. Because I've done this more than once, it goes through 100 nuts real quick. Oh, that works a lot better.
Oh, good.
That I don't have is the washer cell.
It's tragic.
That's a different drawer. Find that little box that I found. What I did with it.
I can see you're all torn up about it.
I will be when I put it together for real. We already went through the different years of boxes. What's different?
What's different about the boxes?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Besides good chrome and bad chrome.
Yeah, there's that. These are down lower on the older boxes.
Nope.
Or maybe it's the newer boxes.
Nope.
They're not?
Nope.
Oh, is it the top one? Or the front one? That's higher? Higher or lower?
Higher or lower?
Yeah, something like that.
Yep. The back one's lower. Clear the frame. And so is this one because it's the same one.
Looky there.
What am I looking at?
Oh, I don't know. Am I cross-threading that? Hope not.
Yeah, it went down finally. For having no paint on those nuts, they sure are rough. On the studs. Must just be bad threads.
Probably.
Probably banged up for more than once, I bet. It just seems like it's cross-threading. It's just crappy. Alright. run it. What's that?
Say a push rod.
What's this one?
Those are push rods. Well, that makes it easy.
Hydraulics.
I like it.
It's out a long ways already. Might have been out of room. This might be too short. Hopefully they don't strip out the hardware. Be a problem.
It would be.
All right, they're all adjusted right?
I have no idea. I've never messed with hydraulics.
You ever put valves in a motor before? Push rods in?
Not with hydraulics.
Doesn't matter. Which one has compression? Don't know. Which one's all the way up? I'm thinking that one's going up.
Yeah.
That means we must be on a compression stroke over here. Pretty sure the valve's not, piston's not anywhere near around though. There, we're coming up on top center. Yeah, we're on top dead center now, that one. Oh, what happened? I think we're gonna lose our push rod here. It's a lot of adjustment there. This one here is open for some reason. Oh, it's just tight. Zero lash. That's a solid motor.
All right.
This one all the way down now. Piston comes up. That one's already adjusted right. That one needs to be a little higher. That one's solid now. Okay, they're solid. Valve's in yet,
That's a plus.
usually. Breaking the rings in. Rings broken in.
Almost. Keep going.
Okay, these are closed now. I can pull this rocker box off. The valves are closed. But there's load on it though. How much load's on it?
I don't. How much?
Whatever those hydraulics are putting on it.
Yeah, okay.
That means we take off these back nuts, but not this one. Even though the valves are closed, the push rods are not. They got load on them. The solid lifter motor wouldn't have any load on it though. And what are we checking?
Right now?
Yeah.
To see if the valves hit.
Got to. See how the rockers work on the tips.
Yeah, that too.
Called rocker geometry. Or lack thereof. Okay, grab these, they're going to fall. They're hitting right there, and right there a little bit. So they kind of suck.
Or should it be hitting in the middle?
Well, it'd be nice if it's hitting like across the whole face, not on one side. And this one's hitting on that side too, but at least it's hitting way in the back. So that needs to be worked on a little bit. How are those? Like that? Lay them on the table, the same way they come out, they go back together.
Good idea.
Now we turn the other side over. Now that one's closed. Now we pull out that box. Look at them. Same way I do pan heads. Except pan heads, you have to assemble them because I can see the rocker arms. Even I can't see.
Yeah.
On my Sportster, I took a rocker box and ground the big ass holes through there so I could see them.
Yeah.
And that way don't have to take them apart like this. And every time I look at them, I can see them. I can tell what I have to do. Then I take them apart and work on them. I haven't butchered a set of big twin boxes yet.
Not yet.
And I've only butchered the rear one on the Sportster because I only have one cylinder.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I need to do both. Like they come out, they go back the same way. Alright, and this set, that was a lot better. And this one's a little better too. More area it's sitting on. But all of them are a little bit high on this side. They want to be ground. I got to grind more off that edge than this edge here. So I got to retouch my grinding stone a little bit. But that one looks a lot better than that one. And I didn't see any issues with hitting.
If the valves were hitting, what would that show?
There'd be some kind of a mark in here.
Oh, okay.
I don't see any marks in these. See, there's nothing. No hitting.
All right. Perfect. Oh. So that had to be corrected for some valves.
A lot thicker. These late boxes are a lot thicker. Plus this short one right here gets in the way more.
Yeah.
Because cast it in, see there's nothing here.
Interesting.
This one, big chunk of shit in the way.
Mm.
Plus they probably had a big aluminum collars on here instead of stock Harley ones, which are real taper cut, which gives you more clearance. Remember I showed you those were not up there, they were close to the edge but not on the edge?
Yeah.
On the box. See like this? See the clearance I have there?
Yeah.
See, the box isn't that thick. The box is pretty thin. So we have that clearance there. We don't have it. It's not hitting. So they're both like that. See, there's a lot of clearance there. So they didn't hit. Now, if you had aluminum collars on there, which are a lot thicker, they would stick out further, both diameter and height, which means they would have hit this. Then we had to do something like that to make them fit.
Yeah.
Let's see this box here. See how thin this is? Look how thick this is.
Oh, yeah. Interesting.
These are late boxes. These are Harley boxes because they cast a number in here. They look like aftermarket boxes because they're so damn bulky and thick. So these are probably 83 boxes.
Oh.
Because new stuff is thick. Everything's big and chunky on new bikes. The older the stuff is, the more delicate and frail it is. So everything's thinner, lighter, better. Not so chunky and crappy. Okay, so now we know what we got to do on these to make them fit better. Now you take them back apart.
All right. We'll be back.
Keep them, not to keep them where they belong, so now they can't mix and match.
Okay.
Because we're individually fitting them. Because see, this arm here will go over here, and this one here will go over here.
Right.
We want to keep them separated because they are different now. So the way you do that is, you do one at a time. don't do both together.
Good call.
Less chance of screwing up.